Hello everyone. So I'm Auritra Mukherjee back again. This learning diary. This video is for the learning diary for past 15 days. That's from 16th April to 30th April. So as their lockdown has started and curfew was there, so when classes started again in online due to COVID-19, the rising cases of COVID-19, raising cases of COVID-19. So in the first 2 weeks we don't have that much of classes, but as the learning should not have stopped, our colleges arranged some of the classes are there. Critical thinking and business analytics classes were there for this past 2 weeks. So I have learned many things in critical thinking, like how to think properly, how to think in two different aspects of a particular situation, as like every coin has a two sides, every situation has also two sides. So you should understand both the sides, and then only you can give a conclusion. Otherwise your conclusion will be biased. And also, while you are thinking some situation critically, you should not be emotionally biased towards anything. So if you are, then only you can think properly and critically, and your critical thinking will be justified. Otherwise it will not be justified. So we have discussed many cases there, right? Like some COVID cases and some cases like farm law, etc., where we have learned how to think critically, how to understand both the point of the both the parties, both the things, that positive and negative. And after that, after analyzing every aspects, we should go to a conclusion. So that's all about critical thinking, what we have learned, what I have learned. Now let's talk about business analytics. Business analytics is one of the important topic and subject, and we should learn this, and that's why these classes are there. And we have learned many things in business analytics, like different approaches towards data analytics, what is the evolution of that, from spreadsheets to EDW plus BI to analytical sandbox, which is new. Then we have learned many things, big data ecosystem and components and roles of these. Then we have learned how about some basic about big data and Hadoop, and how business people take this use this big data into their uh, into their work. And then I started learning R and different basics of R. It's the different types of loops, the different data types, components, functions, object, different things in R. So, and we have started learning how to code in R, how to write command in R, what are the functions of the command, and these things we have learned there. Also, we have learned different types of graphs and plots which will be used in data analytics, like line chart, pie chart, box plot, and histogram, etc. And also have started machine learning, and we are playing with our GUI and trying to understand how R works. So these are the things we have learned in the past 15 days. So next 15 days we hope that the classes will be increased, because all are settled down right now, and this has become a habit. Till then, I'll be back within 15 days again for the next part, and I think the last part of the learning diary. Till then, stay tuned. Don't go outside if not required. Wear masks, use sanitizer. Take care. Thank you.